everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we are going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1968 Chevrolet C10 complete frame-off restoration. There's just over 300 miles on this truck, and it is killer. Just a breathtaking truck, man. Love this color combination. It's anniversary gold and Adobe beige. Truck has an LS7 454 465 horse crate engine in it, and it rocks. I mean, this is a nice truck. Custom two-tone leather interior. Killer set of, those are 22-inch Laguna Weld wheels. You can see the depth on the ones in the back. Just a beautiful truck. Love this color combination. Truck's got all the power you can want. Drives out great, nice and tight up front. Really hit the road good. Steel cowl hood. Again, gorgeous paint. Look at the metallic. Love this color combination. Factory padded dash in there. Those are power seats. Buddy of mine out of North Carolina is the one who got me this truck. He said an older man built this truck and just never drove it. You can see he's put a custom fuel tank in it. He's got a little bit bigger tubs in here to fit those big wheels and tires underneath it. Just a gorgeous truck, man. This thing, I hope it comes out in the video. I'm glad we got some sunshine. I mean, this color just pops. This thing looks like it's on fire coming down the road. You can see the LED tail lights. Killer stand. CR rated rubber all the way around it. Look at that thing. Look at the meats on the back of that thing. I was driving it and a guy in a later model Challenger pulled up next to me and I hit it, and I mean, you could just see the look on his face when I nailed this thing. This thing runs. Killer truck. And it drives great. I mean, it really drove nice. You see that trim on the bottom. They've replaced all that. Killer set of wheels. Again, gorgeous paint. LS7, I hope I said that right. LS7 454 465 horse crate engine. Runs on pump gas, Holley dual feed 4-barrel. You can see it's got the polished intake on it. Does have headers. He's put the Billet Specialty front runner system on it. Aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. I mean, pull it in, take it right to a car show. Power steering, power disc brakes, got vintage air on it. MSD Digital 6AL box on it. And then it's got a GM HEI distributor in it. .400 trans. Shifts out great. Look at that color pop. I mean, this thing, when it's coming down the road, it looks like it's on fire. It's beautiful. And there's not a whole lot you can really nitpick. I've got, there's a couple little stone pecks that I've ordered a paint pen for, so that's on the way for it. New mirror, new door handles. Door seams are clean. Love the interior. I hate those mats. I've got new ones on the way. Thanks, shout out to AAC. New sill plates. They put the custom shoulder harness seat belts in it. Bucket seats, that's real leather. Power, they work. Center console. Chrome tilt column with a billet wheel. 312. It's all the miles on this truck. It's got that billet dash cover, factory tack and gauges. The tack wasn't working. I have to have Mike check that. Audiosounds radio. It's got the upgraded vintage air controls on it. Again, padded dash. All new heater box and everything. It's got the custom kick panel speakers in it too. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's a stock rear axle with a finned aluminum cover, and it's a 355 posi rear axle. Beautiful truck, man. Again, updated the fuel tank in it, so it's not in the cab. Air blows cold. Nice underneath. Flowmaster dual exhaust. Pretty truck. Yeah, new mats are on the way for it. Not a big fan of those mats. Seats are nice. Again, all new airbox. It's pretty cool. Nice truck, man. Pick something that looks like those are original. They use those. Got the air on. The air blows cold. Man, this thing's awesome. That is a cool truck. All the other gauges are functional, holding great oil pressure. Again, I'll have Mike check the tach. It's got that MSD box, so sometimes you got to fiddle with those things to get it to work. All LED tail lights. Truck just hits, man. Radio works, blower motor works. And everything opens and closes nice. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us. You can also now register for our website. It's another real cool way to get an email every time I put a new video on, or new vehicle on. Oh, that thing is wicked bad. Cost you an easy $100,000 to build that truck right there. Good stance.